Stop making excuses. Tomorrow is too late. Do it now. Train with me in this 5-minute abs workout session and you won't regret it. Let's start now. The first exercise is crunches. Come on, guys.
I'm cutting dice. Look at these eyes. They're not here to please you. There was a time you could be mine before all that you put me through. I knew that you were trouble, but I didn't think you were bad. I'm living in this bubble and I'm so.
Let's move now to bicycle crunches.
You can say hello, but I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like. You can watch me go, 'cause I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like. You can say hello, but I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like. You can watch me go, 'cause I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like.
Flutter kicks. Scissor kicks, also known as forbici in Italian.
You can say hello, but I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like. You can watch me go, 'cause I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like. You can say hello, but I don't need you to like.
And now leg raises, up and down.
Watch me go, 'cause I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like.
Reverse crunch. Russian twist for the obliques. Now we move to a side plank, and this is my variation. If you can't do it, just stay still. Let's move to the other side now.
Okay, so we have 10 seconds left, and then last exercise. Girls, you can do it.
Plank rolls is our last exercise. Come on, you can do it.
we have 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, done! Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. We did it!
You can repeat this twice for great results and let me know in the comments or with a like if you want more workouts and my favorite exercises. Bye!